So to start boning, we start on the 3 finger bones. Again, like everything else, take a bit of time. It is a case of little cut, little pull. You can be quite aggressive with pulling the meat around to make it work for you, use its own weight. You can just about see the edge of the finger bone. So very carefully, we will cut down that bone, literally just with the very, very tip of the knife, because we don't want to be going right through into the meat below. And once we've separated that, we can then carry on. And follow the finger bones all the way down. Again, as I said before we started, taking extra care, because as you can see they're now starting to swing the natural shape of the animal's rib. And a lot of people, when they first start, make the mistake of coming down and going straight down. So there we are, I've loosened the 3 finger bones. Just going to loosen it a little bit more. So loosened up that side. This is the bit that catches most people out when they're first starting. Again, don't be afraid to put some pressure on. We've now got to get behind these bones, obviously again without leaving any meat on there. And all you can really do is just go to the top of the bone. This is where removing the internal fats here and here has paid off, because I can now bend it quite easily. Once I get on the bone, as you can see down there, again I won't be, so I don't want to mark it too much, I'll literally be going down in 1 or 2 cuts. Like so. So now I've exposed all the bone with probably, once I got inside, 1 or 2 cuts. So I've got a clean face here, clean bone there. That noise you can hear is running across the actual top of the bones below. So literally, going to keep just exposing them. I am putting quite a bit of pressure on my left hand to push the meat away from the bone as I'm working. It's easier for me.
Bear in mind you're working in darkness there, Chaz, so like when you show it inside that cavity, you've got to spin it around to face this camera, yeah?
Right. So there, I'm starting to expose the bones. As you can see, I've got bones there, you can probably hear it. I'm going to keep on exposing those, little by little. Put the pressure on my left hand, quite a bit of pressure going on there. Until I've exposed them to their actual end. And then I'm going to flip in and go in and out like we did with the fillet at the beginning. Which I'll just do now. Again, using just a very, very, very tip of the knife. Which is the reason we use the American style curved knives. So you can allow us just to use the tip. So I hope the camera can pick that up. The actual bone's exposed and I've gone round. So they're pretty much loose. So they're all pretty loose. It's only really connected now on the bottom of the spine bone. And all I do for that, spin the whole thing over. Come down the back of the bone there. Again, as few cuts as possible. Again, pushing my left hand. If I stand him up, it will not far off, just fall off. There you go. We've got a bone, which I'll clean up in a minute. We'll get a loin. No damage to the face along there. Obviously a little mark in there, but we had to do that to get the thing out. Turn this into a strip loin of beef that we're all used to seeing. Basically, we're just going to take the excess bristles and coverings off, and what we call the back strap, which is a very heavy piece of bristle running down there. Not a little. We want to be around that mark, so we've got about an inch of tail, but we want to also keep our cut straight, so we've got a straight strip line. We don't want to be coming up here and down there or up here, so it is literally just doing it by eye. There's our strip line, all ready for sale, all ready for staking. Just dealing with it a little while. Again, just keep saying, do your trimming as you go. So if you're doing a lot of these, there's nothing worse than towards the end of the day, you've got a mountain of these to do. That's where people don't really want to do it. Again, anything saleable will be removed. The mince products, burger products. As you see, we are really quite particular. Because once again, it is one of the highest value pieces of meat from the rump and loin. We've got a meat trim, we've got a bone, all cleaned. Still has a saleable value for stocks, gravies, and so on. So that's that. We have our strip loin, all ready to go. And Dean will come in and cut a couple of steaks. This is the nerve end, what we call the nerve end. It's normally sold as a cheaper steak cut. That's probably the last, what's called the nerve end, and then we start on our sirloin steaks. Again, when we're cutting them, we don't want to be sawing the knife, we want to be, as much as possible, straight cut through. So we get an unmarked face there, and an unmarked steak. Trim the excess fat. Two perfect 8-ounce sirloin steaks. Standard trim ST